What's the meaning of bastardize? Bastardize. Bastardize.
Bastardize. Bastardize. The word bastardize is a verb form of bastard, which means a child born out of wedlock or a person of illegitimate birth. When used as a verb, it means to corrupt or debase something, especially a concept, idea, or language. For example, if someone were to take a sacred tradition and change its meaning to fit their own agenda, they would be bastardizing the tradition. Similarly, if a language is changed by integrating slang or improper grammar, it can be considered bastardized. The term is often used in a negative connotation, implying an act of betrayal or disrespect towards the original source.